All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, second live stream of the day here. So this video is going to focus on multiplication with decimals. Before I get into the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified, sent a message whenever I go live, or you'll be notified of all my future content. All right, so multiplication with decimals. Notice I have a problem here where it's just whole numbers and there is no decimals, and then I have a problem that has a decimal in it. The reason for that is because we go about solving the two different problems exactly the same way. The multiplication problem with the decimal has one small additional step, and I'm going to show you what that additional step is, but everything else we do to solve the problem is exactly the same. So, 34 times 9. I'm going to solve that first. 4 times 9. 34 times 9. Sorry. 34 times 9, the first thing we do is we multiply the digits in the ones place. 4 times 9 equals 36. So I'm going to put a 6 in the ones place. The 3 and 36 I'm going to carry over to the tens place. 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. So I'm going to write 30 in front of the 6. And we have 306. So now, 33.4 times 9. So again, I'm going to multiply 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. The 6 and 36 goes in the ones place. The 3 and 36 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 3 is 30. Now, because there's a decimal in this problem, there is one additional step that we need to do. To make sure that the decimal points are lined up, what I need to do is we have to move the decimal point over. Now, whenever you don't see a decimal in an answer, it's assumed that the decimal is behind all the digits. So that's where it would be here. So we have to move the decimal over one place. So I'm going to move it over in front of the 6. So 306 becomes 30.6. All right. I don't want us to get confused here, but now let's say I wanted to multiply 34 hundredths times 9. I don't want it to be bunched up, so I'm trying to give it enough space. So we have 34 hundredths times 9. So again, we would go about solving it the same exact way as we solve the whole numbers. 4 times 9 equals 36. 6 carry the 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. Plus 3 equals 30. We put the 30 in front of the 6. We have 306. So the first two steps, again, they're the same. Now, the last step, since the decimal point is in front of the 3 on this one, instead of moving the decimal point over one place, we have to move it over two places. So here we have the decimal point behind the 6, because that's where the decimal, unless you see it in between the numbers, it's always assumed it's behind all the numbers. We move it over one place in front of the 6. Now we're at 30.6. Now we move it over a second place. And now it's 3 and 6 hundredths. So we don't get confused, I'll Three and 6 hundredths. So I'm going to zoom in here. All right, now I'm going to do the next set of problems. Actually, I'll save the next set of problems for another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know if you have any questions, let me know if this video was helpful. Also, if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, please put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. All right, have a great rest of the day, everybody, and I will see you all either tomorrow or later tonight.